Hi. In this video we're going to see how we can update our cPanel WHM's LicSys license, especially after this critical security update. This is really very important to prevent your server from a serious cPanel and WHM security issue named CVE 2026-41940, which was reported last month, and many server owners started facing strange problems like unknown cPanel accounts, SSH lockouts, rescue mode, outbound attack traffic, and even broken operating systems. There also you will see an update now button, but it's highly recommended that don't go for update from here. Instead of this, first log out your WHM and log into your server as root user via PuTTY or any SSH client. To follow this update step, please make sure you already have an active LicSys cPanel WHM license. If you're looking to get that, please check the link mentioned in the description of this video. But if you already have it, let's first run this command, which is LicSys cPanel upf. Then press enter, and wait patiently till the time it's taking to process the command. It's done as it shows cPanel update completed. Now let's run our next command, which is LicSys cPanel update. Alright, now let's close this and log in via WHM once again. As you can see, that critical security warning has gone on. Here we can also see the updated cPanel version, which is currently the latest stable version. So that's how it will update the WHM cPanel to its latest version. That's all for the video. Thank you for your time.